So how was your experience with Baby Goat Yoga with Dr. Gold?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Actually, Annie, maybe we get one with all of us.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming. And
We really appreciate it.
thank you for your donations to the farm. It's a nonprofit. Thank you. Okay, so how was your experience with Baby Goat Yoga with Dr. Gold?
Awesome. The goats are adorable, and you guys are just so kind. Yeah. Thank you for making this a really great experience.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you so much. We had an amazing time, and I'm now a proud baby goat mother that I birthed myself. This is Auntie Brittany, and we will definitely be back to raise these goats into the wonderful, upstanding citizens that they deserve to be.
Oh, well, thank you for joining us at Baby Goat Yoga with Dr. Gold. We appreciate you. Yay!
Thank you, Dr. Gold.
You're
Thank you, Dr. Gold.
welcome.